Hi, you may have heard in your life that someone passed away in their sleep. They didn't suffer much and they passed away. You may have also heard that somebody suffered a lot for many months and then passed away. You may have also heard that somebody suffered a lot for many months. They had a lot of money. Their money also couldn't save them and they passed away. This shows you that karma is there. If you do good, good happens. If you do bad, bad happens. There are some people who feel that karma is not there. They have to say that, see that person who hurt me, he or she is so happy. Well, firstly, how do you know that they are really happy? If somebody shows you that they are happy, that doesn't mean that they are really happy. How do you know what's going on in the other person's life? And let's believe that they are really happy. That doesn't mean that karma is not there. Well, it so happens that some souls face the consequences of their actions there and then, and some souls face the consequences of their actions much later. You should not wish bad for somebody else because wishing bad for somebody else is also very bad karma. If you wish bad for somebody else that because they have done wrong to me, wrong should happen to them, you are bringing upon bad karma upon yourself. So forgive them, thank them in your heart for all the lessons that you learned because of them, and keep moving forward. I understand that sometimes the pain is excruciating and it is difficult to forgive the person, in one go. No problem. Try your best to forgive them over and over again till you reach a stage where there is no hatred in your heart for them. If they come in your thoughts, you just thank them for the lessons, you wish them well, and you keep moving forward. It's not necessary that when you forgive someone, you have to again become friends with them or you again have to get back into the relationship with them. Of course, you can. That's your choice. But it's not necessary. But what is necessary is that you don't hold hatred in your heart for them. There shouldn't be any revenge. You shouldn't, sit waiting around for something bad to happen to them. Just let them go and just focus on your life. Make sure that your intentions are clean, your intentions are good. When we hold hatred and pain in our heart, we are firstly hurting ourselves. So that's why it is extremely important to forgive so that you can free your heart from all the unwanted feelings and you can move ahead with a clean conscience. Keep doing good because I do believe that karma is there. Have a good day.